Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix volume on Apple TV remote. So this problem happened to me in which my Apple TV remote was no longer controlling the volume of my Samsung TV. But if you guys are interested in learning how to fix this, make sure to watch until the end just because this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. But let's go ahead and get started. Now what we're first going to do is that we're going to hop into our settings tab here on our Apple TV. And then from here, you want to scroll down to where it says remotes and devices. So click on remotes and devices. And then from here, you want to scroll down to where it says volume control. Okay. So there's two really important tabs here, and it's volume control and on-screen volume display. What might have happened is that your on-screen volume display might be set to hide. And in actuality, your volume button actually is working. So what this does is that if you set it to show, and then I press the increase or decrease volume, you'll see that the meter on the right hand side is showing me that the volume is increasing or decreasing. But if you set it to hide and then I increase the volume or decrease the volume, you'll see that there's no indicator. So make sure that this is set to show so that you actually know if the volume is increasing or decreasing. But if there is no indicator, it might be due to volume control. So click on volume control and then set it to auto. What actually happened with me was that this was accidentally set to off, which didn't allow me to control my TV volume using my Apple TV. So if you set this to auto, you should now be able to go ahead and control your TV volume using your Apple TV remote. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix volume on Apple TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.